this isn't a paid advert. I bought this with my own money, and the reason I bought it is I've recently come back from Sorrento. One of my favourite cafes stroke bars out there is a place called Bar Veneruso, and they serve hot chocolate, which is not as we know it. It's basically melted chocolate, and it's lovely. And then somebody told me about this. My favourite chocolate over here is the stuff produced at Hotel Chocolat. And we used to, every time we used to go to Manchester, always used to bring the box back, and it's fantastic. And you can even get a subscription, so they send you it every month. Anyway, this is called the Velvetiser, and I'd buy it just because it's called the Velvetiser. It's they do it in 3 colours, I think: white, dark grey, and this kind of coppery colour, which I prefer. There's 3 parts to it really. I'm assuming inside that's an electromagnet, because when you put everything in, this spins round, and there you can feel a magnetic pull to it. And then there's the lid. That's the base there, and it just goes onto the base. You also get these, they're like little vases, 2 cups, and a variety of chocolates. Classic 70%. Dark, which is my favourite, that's 85%. Raspberry and white chocolate, maple and pecan. So you can get all sorts, but I'll just show you how it comes out. It's absolutely, it's lovely. And you can also use it if you've not got a coffee machine. If you just put milk in, you can froth the milk up and warm it up, and it's really good for that. So you fill it up to the mark inside with milk, which is there. Then empty a sachet of chocolate in it, which, to be fair, it just looks like chocolate which is grated. I'll pull that up there like so. Put the top on, which isn't really too much of a necessity, because it's not like a whisk, it don't fly up. And then press the on button, which is just on the side. It's now twirling away, and it takes, I think it's about 2.5 minutes. And I won't bore you just watching me looking at this. I'll cut to when it's ready to come out. So we must be coming up to about 2.5. There we go. Light's gone off, and it's ready to pour. You see there's no mess on the top there. It doesn't go that fast, but honestly, it's just heaven. So there you go. That just fills that nicely to the brim. It's so good, I promise you. I've seen a couple of people online saying that the hot chocolate don't come out red hot. Well, it doesn't. But what you can do, after a couple of seconds, the cup is getting kind of too hot to hold. I suggest you perhaps drink it from a mug. These are great, but not that practical. And I suggest you warm the mug up first. That way it'll stay warm longer. But honestly, it's absolutely fantastic. As I said before, I'll put a link to the machine in the description. And if you buy anything through our affiliate link, it won't cost you any more, but we will get a small percentage of commission. So I thank you for that, and cheers. Oh God, that's good.